A condo inside gated community. High demand, low vacancy, and a premium clients. Hi, this is Edelma Frias and welcome to Leisure Suite by Don Team Development. Ito ay located sa Magallanes Drive, Barangay Kaybagal, Tagaytay City. Dito, ramdam mo ang privacy, safety, at comfort na ideal para sa sariling tahanan. Step inside this spacious one-bedroom unit with 56 square meters of well-designed living space. As you can see, upon turnover, naka-ceramic tiles na ang floor ng living area, white painted wall ang buong unit, and dito naman sa bedroom, naka-vinyl tiles na ang flooring, sliding window at opening window, kaya well-ventilated ang room mo, perfect sa weather ng Tagaytay. Unwind on your private balcony with a dedicated space for laundry for added convenience. Kasama na rin dito ang kitchen sink, kitchen tap, and kitchen cabinet. Complete features na rin ang toilet and bath that offer for a clean modern layout. At kung naghahanap ka ng fully furnished one-bedroom na move-in ready, this IKEA design unit is for you. Wala ka nang iisipin, kumpleto na ang gamit, maayos na ang bawat sulok, at swak ang design para sa modern living. O diba? Literal na ikaw at ang personal things mo na lang ang kulang. At ang best part dito, every unit has own free allotted parking space. Kaya no extra cost, no monthly parking fees, no stress, because true comfort doesn't stop at your front door. It starts the moment you arrive home. If you are interested in this property in Tagaytay, message me for sample computation and schedule of site visit. See you!